So now that we have the watch turned on, I'm going to show you how to use the Garmin Connect app to set up your watch. So we're going to go to Garmin Connect. That's our main screen. I'm going to go over here to Devices, Garmin Devices. These are the current Garmin devices I have. I'm going to go down to Add Device. And it recognized the Vivoactive, which was in pairing mode. I'm going to look for the 6-digit PIN on the device once I connect it. So I'm going to hit connect it. I'm going to say OK. And now I have the pairing request that's showing up on my watch. And that PIN is 018163. And that will show up on the watch. Then you type it in on your app. It takes about a minute, and then you want to type in your user data, your height, your weight, athletic profile. This will be my activity tracker. So if that's important, if you count your steps, I don't find that to be much of a workout, so it's not really worth tracking, but I guess it doesn't hurt. Another cool thing about the Garmin watch is it has the quick release watch bands. There's a lot of the quick release bands on the market, so you'll have a lot of options to replace them. It looks like it's probably 18 to 20 millimeter. I could figure out exactly. That's pretty standard for watch bands. I know looks like it would fit even the Gear Sport, so interchangeable watch bands. The watch band it comes with looks pretty cheap. So then you can say no, don't receive notifications when I'm usually asleep. Hit next. I'm going to wear it on my right wrist. Next. And you could even decide which way you want the button to face. So it's totally reversible, left, right, reversible. That changes the orientation of the screen. So I'm going to face the button inwards. That way if I'm wearing a glove, it'll give me some more clearance. And that's it.